way for us.
We're getting out of here.
Oh my God. I need an ambulance immediately.
We are 100% surrounded by fire.
Multiple people trapped.
It's everywhere. Evacuate on foot!
November 8th at 7:30 in the morning, this town started to burn down. Within 3 hours, it was gone.
The state's deadliest and most destructive wildfire in history. The town of Paradise is basically ash.
I lost my house too. I'll tell you what, it's not easy.
No, it's not, but we're alive.
It's not just that I lost my house, it's not that I lost my memories. My entire way of life is completely gone.
As hard as it is to say it, I don't see the town coming back. A lot of people have left. The hospital's gone. The elementary school's gone.
I thought it would get easier as time went on, but it's actually getting harder.
At the end of the day, I have nowhere to go.
Paradise water may not be drinkable for up to 3 years.
We have to make them pay for everything because it's going to happen again if we don't.
Don't we have a responsibility to stop building if it's going to be in areas that are not defensible?
This is my home. This is where I want to be.
I love that town, and I'm not going to bail on it now.
We're coming back.
Oh, look at this clear sky.
Hey, clear sky, guys. Made it through. Made it through it, guys.